Hello everybody, I am Raj Kumar here. I am going to announce to you my new Udemy video course, which is very beautiful and concisely prepared by me for the benefit of the web development community. In this video, I am discussing with you and teaching you in a modular fashion how to configure a web server which includes the operating system, which I have chosen the popular Ubuntu here, together with MySQL as well as the Apache. I am going to show you in this Udemy video how to launch a web development program or an application that has been developed in your own local server, which we call a web development machine. Probably it could be a Mac machine which runs the iOS, or it could be a laptop or a desktop which runs Windows. Now, from my experience, if you want to develop any web application in your development machine, it's quite easy. You can grab a lot of videos in YouTube as well. There are a lot of popular authors or teachers here who teach you everything for development using Python language. It could be a Flask framework, it could be a Bottle framework, or it could be a Django framework. Whatever framework you choose, of course, there are a lot of videos which teaches you how to do a web application using your development machine. But when it comes to launching your application into a World Wide Web or using a World Wide Web in conjunction with the VPS server, you are left to configure all the VPS server from scratch until you launch the Python web application to the World Wide Web. Here comes the challenge, because I have read a lot of beautiful and nicely written technical articles using Google search, and I have practiced or tried to implement those technical articles in order to launch my website. But unfortunately, after a few hours or even after a few days, I am unable to launch my web application to the VPS server. So, have you faced this problem? Yes. If you have faced this problem, this is the right time for you to take my Udemy video course. Down below the link, I have given you a link to Udemy coupons where you can get discount direct from Udemy if you take my video course. So please don't waste your time to try to reconfigure and configure your beautiful web application based on Python to a VPS. Grab my course and enjoy the contents. Hereafter, I am sure and I am confident that you will also be very confident to launch any web application that you are developing in your development machine to the World Wide Web. So that is the beauty part of it. Please visit my link and subscribe to my Udemy video. Also, in this context, I want to say that I have gone through a lot of videos as well, but unfortunately, using those videos as well, I am fully not able to configure and run my web application. So that is why I have told you at the start of this video, my Udemy video is tailored in such a fashion with the students or web developers point of view or angle of view, which is going to benefit whoever takes this video course. So I wish a warm welcome for whoever is taking my video course and happy studying. Hope to meet you in the Udemy video course soon. Thank you very much for watching my video. You can see whatever links I have given in this video course, which will be beneficial for you. I am also providing you a link to one of my favorite VPS service providers, and if you grab this link and subscribe to them, of course I will be benefited with a few cents, but that doesn't matter as long as you show your support for my video channel. Please like my video channel, subscribe to my video channel, and press press the bell button so that any of my latest updates you can see and get benefited. I am going to give many free courses as I used to do so as well in this channel. So press the bell button so that you get notified in timely fashion. I am interested in Laravel, Python, PHP in the front end, AngularJS, React as well as Vue.js. I like to do lot of other PHP frameworks like Cake PHP, Symfony, Core PHP, everything I like to do, but my specialty I like is Laravel, which is so powerful and so wonderful framework. With that points in conclusion, let me sign off from this video and hope to meet you in yet another video. Till then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.